Welcome back. You're still watching Night Out, and from a road trip with Ranbir, it's now time to take a glamorous journey to the ramp, where Ranbir's next co-star and former flame Deepika Padukone is doing what she does best, being a showstopper in more ways than one.
Well, it's day 3 of the Wills Lifestyle India Fashion Week here in Delhi, but I'm definitely rejuvenated with Wendell and Deepika, who are apparently going to stand on a moonlight beach. Tell us something about the theme. It's very interesting. It's a very beautiful, poetic theme.
Well, actually, as a child, when I was growing up, as a very young guy, and now you know my age, but...
No, we don't. Please tell us.
All of 51. We used to go for these moonlight beach parties in Kalangut and Baga. There was no one. And all we had was the music. And it was such fun. We used to come back when the sun rose. And I said, I'm going to recreate that because Fiamma had this thing of doing this shower gel called Aqua Pulse. And I said, it would make a perfect fit. So we're going to have a party out there. It's not going to be a fashion show. The biggest glamour event is here. It's a beach party.
Well, talking about films, I mean, we all want to know, we're all dying to know that Ayan Mukherjee film you finally signed, Ye Jawani Hai Deewani. So, how is it? Are you looking forward to it? Could you tell us a little bit about the film? And
I can't tell you anything about the film.
Tweeted, it was on Twitter.
Yeah, no, of course. I can't tell you about the film. I can tell you that yes, I am doing the film. I'm very excited. I'm looking forward to it. I think Ayan is a brilliant director, and I think he's very good at love stories, and I think he was the right person to bring Ranbir and me together on screen. So yeah, that's all I can say for now.
Well, this is the second film you guys are doing together. Do you think there'll be a little bit of hesitancy, or do you see that happening?
No, not at all. I think people are kind of anticipating and people are speculating a lot. We're over and done with that, and we've really moved on, and we're both happy in our respective lives. For me, this is a very, very important film, and I'd really like if people just focused on that.
Well, and I think you're fabulous in Arakshan. Then there's Cocktail, there's Race 2, Saif Ali Khan, Saif Ali Khan, Saif Ali Khan.
Yeah, no, I think it's completely coincidental. He's a wonderful co-star and a brilliant actor. But again, it's something that one doesn't plan. The director knows who he wants to cast, and I have really no say in that.
Now, what about, I think we spoke to Saif the other day, and he said, I don't know why I have to keep the name of the film Cocktail. I wish it was called something else. Do you think the names are a wee bit funny?
I know, and I'm pretty sure he knows that the title is not Cocktail. I'm pretty sure that's going to change. Yeah, it's the working title, so let's call it production number 3 for now.
And, since you've already worked with him in so many films, obviously I'm sure you've met Kareena, and how is, Bollywood is always rife with rivalry, so to speak, and friendships are, relatively less to come across. But how has your equation been with Kareena?
It's really sad when media reports things like this, because it just makes us look immature and like little children. We're all grown up, we're all very mature, and I think we all know how to conduct ourselves and behave ourselves. I think she's a wonderful girl, and I think they make a wonderful couple. I've met her a couple of times, and yeah.
NDTV's cricket app, Android and iPhone, fastest scorecard, special analysis, and much more. Download free. ndtv.com/apps.